Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account securities and safety settings. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video, I will show you how to review your Microsoft account safety and security protection without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, if you are using Windows 11, go ahead and make sure you come down below right here where you have your startup window menu. Click on it. So if you are using Windows 10, just go to your settings. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my settings right here. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you go to privacy and security. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down right here until you get to location. Click on location right here. Then here you go. Scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, and then go ahead and click on privacy dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. Then it will redirect you to Edge browser, asking you to log in with your Microsoft account. So just like what you see right here, so go ahead and click on sign in. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you enter your passkey or password of your Microsoft account that's linked to your Windows PC. So once you enter your password, it's going to connect and open up your security settings. So under the privacy setting security right here, you can click on start privacy checkup. Click on that. Then account recovery info. Scroll down right here and then be sure that all this information right here are truly yours. Review the account info to recover your account. We only use recovery info to contact you if we detect suspicious activities or you lose access to your account. Review everything right here. If they are your information, then go ahead and click on next. You can also add a recovery phone number right here if eventually you have not added a recovery phone number right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on next. Secure signing. Scroll down right here. Try Microsoft Authenticator. Get access and passwordless sign in with Microsoft Authenticator. So make sure if you have not connected your Microsoft Authenticator, go ahead and click on here and then enable your Microsoft Authenticator. You can download the app on your Android phone or App Store. So with that, you should be able to connect your phone with Microsoft Authenticator and link to your account. You can also scan this QR code to get Microsoft Authenticator app download directly from the web. So let's go back to the security setting right there. Go ahead and click on next right here. Set up recurring delete. So scroll down right here. So if you want to try as much as possible to get back some of the mistakenly information deleted from your Edge browser or on your Windows search, so you can go on and set a particular date right here. Do not set up is what I have right here. Clearing browsing history data. So you can decide to go ahead and click on next and leave everything all through. So save web browsing. So these are another important things you need to take into consideration, most especially if you use Edge browser most time when you are trying to browse on your Windows PC. So go ahead and click on here and then make sure you enable Edge security. Use Password Monitor to help protect your password in Microsoft Edge. How Password Monitor works, you can read details right here, and these are simple illustration on how you can actually set up your protect your profile with Password Monitor. Go ahead and click on profile. From profile, go to password, then Password Monitor. So you can also make sure you set up this in order to secure your Edge browser with your Microsoft account. Let's go back to Microsoft account security review. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on next. Then right here, more safety resources. Change privacy settings in Windows. Microsoft Security Helps and Learn. So you can check on the privacy setting in the window right here. So you have information on that here. You can also read details right here. So under the privacy and security setting, you can as well work on your privacy and security setting as far as this is concerned about review your security settings. So come back right here, go ahead and click on next. Then Microsoft 365 privacy settings. So right here, optional diagnostic data, privacy that analyze your content, experience that download online content. So if you don't want your information to be diagnosed by Microsoft, you don't want your information to be shared with Microsoft, you can go ahead and then turn off this, which is optional. Then here, experience the analysis your content. If you don't want Microsoft to know much about what exactly you are doing on your Windows PC, consider to turn it off. Then that is for Microsoft 365 privacy settings. Go ahead and click on next right here. Then you are all set. Require recurring deleting for browse history, recurring deleting for search history, no schedule for that. This is depends on optional. Then securing sign-in, try to use Microsoft Authenticator to get secure and passwordless. So we have to make sure we download Microsoft Authenticator and install it on our Android phone or iPhone and make sure we link it all together before we can have that pass to be green. However, completed actions here are account recovery info completed, safe browsing completed, small safety resources completed, 365 privacy setting also completed. What we want to do here is to come down below right here and click on close tab right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on close, and you are done. Your account is fully secure in a few minutes. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to secure your Microsoft account or your Windows PC, whether Windows 11 or Windows 10, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.